Hello, and how are you? In this movie, we are going to look at HTML comments. I am Mohindo Mubarak, your tutor, and HTML comments. HTML comments are not displayed in the browser, but they can help us to document our HTML source code. Assume that you want to explain something that will remind you yourself later, or will remind another developer or a contributor to assist you in your creating your in the document that you're creating, but you don't want the users to see it. So what you do, you write a comment in that part, and that comment is not shown in the browser, but another person or you yourself, you can see it later. So you can add comments to your HTML source code using the following syntax. You just simply write the less than sign and then exclamation mark, and then you write your comment there, and then you also close it in that way. So that's how we write HTML comments. So let's go ahead and give an example. So to do that, I'll just simply come here and open a new file and name it 10 and then dot HTML comments. Okay, so here I'm going to put here some HTML h5, and I'm going to call this one HTML comments. Okay, so I can write here this is okay. For example, I can write here this is a comment. Okay, p tag. Okay, p tag. Okay, this is a paragraph. Okay, you know that's a paragraph. Okay, now after doing that, let's go ahead and open this project in so press Ctrl O in our browser, and then you open. So you can see this is a paragraph. Okay, now let us try to add a comment on this. Okay, so if you want to add a comment on this, so you can just simply put like less than sign and then exclamation mark and then the dash, and then you close it with dash and then the greater than sign. So anything that you put here, it will not appear in the browser. Okay, so you can use it to explain something that you may want to remember later. Can you see? You cannot see that shit. You cannot see it. So this is a simple comment. So you can use that comment to help you when you're programming or when you're creating your project, or another developer to learn and know what is going on. So that's how you comment something. So I mean that if we cut this open tag and put it here, so I mean that everything that is between this is not going to be is not going to appear in the browser. Even the paragraph that you just created, it will not appear as long as it is surrounded by these symbols of a comment. So if I come and refresh, so what should you expect in our browser? Of course, it will expect nothing. Why? Because everything has been commented. So a comment, it will not appear in your browser, but it will appear in your source code, maybe to remind you or to explain something, and or to explain to other people that you may want to contribute to your project, all that. So comments have many advantages, but the point is they don't appear in the browser, but they appear only in your code, and that is how we write a single comment or a block of comment. Let us meet in the next video where we are going to look at HTML colors, and thank you for watching.